Types of earthquakes. 1. Tectonic earthquakes are generated due to sliding of rocks along a fault plane. 2. Sometimes due to eruption of active volcanoes, earthquake occurs, recognized as volcanic earthquake. 3. Sometimes the roofs of underground mines collapse in the areas of intense mining activity, called collapse earthquakes. 4. Tremors caused due to explosion of chemical or nuclear devices, called explosion earthquakes. 5. The earthquakes that occur in the areas of large water reservoirs are referred to as reservoir-induced earthquakes. Measuring earthquakes. The earthquakes are scaled according to the magnitude or intensity of the shock. The magnitude scale used to measure earthquake intensity is known as the Richter scale. The magnitude is expressed in absolute numbers, that is, 0 to 10. Effects of earthquake. The following are some of the hazardous effects of earthquake. 1. Ground shaking. Ground motion results from the movement of seismic waves. 2. Differential ground settlement. 3. Land and mudslides, common in hilly areas. 4. Soil liquefaction. When wet soil is shaken by an earthquake, the soil particles may be jarred apart, allowing water to seep in between them. The ground then becomes quicksand. When this happens, buildings can just topple over or partially sink into the liquefied soil, as the soil has no strength to support them. 5. Ground lurching. 6. Avalanches. In regions of hills and steep slopes, earthquake vibration may cause regolith to slip, cliffs to collapse, and other rapid mass movement to start. 7. Ground displacement. Where a fault breaks, the ground surface building can split, roads are disrupted. 8. Floods from dam and levee failure. 9. Fires. Earthquakes cause breaking of gas lines and snapping of electric wires that leads to outbreak of fire. 10. Structural collapse. Collapse of buildings. 11. Falling objects. 12. Tsunami. Seismic waves occur following violent movement of the seafloor. These waves are called tsunamis. Tsunamis develop breakers as they approach the shore. The breakers associated with earthquakes can be over 15 meters high. Frequency of earthquake occurrences. Not all the parts of the globe necessarily experience major shocks and high magnitudes, that is, 8 plus, are quite rare, though tiny types occur almost every minute.